Well, a fresh catch from the Mediterranean is helping reel in South Florida diners.
It is. That's what's cooking tonight. Let's grab a bite with Belkis.
The chef, Clark Bowen, serving up Mediterranean-style cuisine at Boulud Sud in Miami.
It kind of encompasses all of the Mediterranean from the south of France to northern Africa to Greece, Turkey. Come in, we'll have a good time, taste a variety of different foods, and now maybe learn something new.
Boulud Sud is located inside the JW Marriott Marquis Hotel, and it features coastal cuisine from across the Mediterranean. It's open Monday through Saturday for lunch and dinner with happy hour on weekdays. So stop by and try the dish we are making today, seared Mediterranean branzino. Chef Clark starts by making the spice for the fish. He toasts black pepper, ground cardamom, whole coriander, and green cardamom over a medium heat.
You don't want to burn them, you just want to warm them up to let all the oils kind of come back, and it really brightens up the flavor of all the spices.
The spices then go into a bowl along with green chili powder, dried parsley, cayenne pepper, and garlic powder. Blend this until everything is finely ground. Use a little of the dry spices and salt to season the branzino on both sides. Then sear it with olive oil skin side down first.
Give it a little bit of a press to make sure all the skin is touching the pan, so all the skin will be nice and crispy.
While the branzino cooks, grab the rest of the dry spices and add fresh parsley, cilantro, olive oil, and lemon juice, and mix. Chef uses the sauce on the branzino when it's finished cooking. Next, he grabs another pan and adds olive oil and artichokes.
You want to give them a little bit of a sear, pretty much just to get some color and some crispiness into them.
Pour in some white wine, crushed garlic, thyme, and vegetable stock. Let the artichokes cook for 2 to 3 minutes, and you're ready to plate. Chef Clark spreads a tahini paste blended with water and olive oil onto the plate. Then he adds a spoonful of fricassee. You can find the recipe for these on our website. The branzino comes next, and he finishes with a side of lemon and apricot puree and a salad with the seared artichokes and apricots.
With our Mediterranean branzino, we recommend our savory green chili infused arugula vodka gimlet. Welcome to Boulud Sud. This is our Zug Spice Mediterranean branzino with fricassee. Enjoy.
Chef, I'm starved. That looks so good. If you want the recipe or you want to check out my Bite blog, head to our website at WSVN.com, click on entertainment, and then click on Bite. It's all right there at the touch of your fingertips. Live in the Newsplex, I'm Belkis Nuray. Bon appetito.